Many of you have questioned the ability of Cosmism to live up to all the promises that I've made for it. So, it's time for a prime example of how to employ the symbols of Cosmism to decipher the imagery of the prophets in Scripture. If Cosmism proves that helpful, wouldn't you want to know more? Sure you would. For this example, I've chosen Revelation and Ezekiel, two of the most puzzling examples of scriptural imagery. Not only will we find that these two accounts, from widely separated epics, use the same peculiar imagery, we will also see that a modern prophet, Joseph Smith, gave us the key to both. We will also see the cosmological origin of the symbol that gave rise to this prophetic imagery. First, Ezekiel sees four living creatures with the likeness of a man. As for the likeness of their faces, they four had the face of a man, and the face of a lion, and the face of an ox, and the face of an eagle. Next, John sees four similar creatures, beasts he calls them. And the first beast was like a lion, and the second beast like a calf, and the third beast had a face as a man, and the fourth beast was like a flying eagle. They are the same, with one exception. Ezekiel's ox became John's calf. The slight difference likely being due to a shift in cultural customs over centuries that separate the two prophets. So we can conclude that they both saw similar visions. I call it the one story, and I believe that all prophets are shown this same vision. Many examples of such shared imagery strongly suggest this is true. This in itself is a revelation, a big payoff. All the prophets saw the same cosmic vision. No other scholar, to my knowledge, has noticed this vital truth. But these four also appear, of all places, in Joseph Smith's explanation of his Egyptian papyri, where he says, represents this earth in its four quarters. In Egyptian tradition, they are the head of a lion, a jackal, an eagle, and a man. Again, local custom changed the ox or calf to a jackal. They are called canopic figures by Egyptologists who agree. These figures represent the 4 points of the compass. In spite of the small variations, it's obvious. These four figures play some role in ancient lore, and there they are, prominently included in the visions of these two prophets. We see this same association of animal mascots and the four cardinal directions to the four primary tribes of Israel. So Joseph Smith was right. These do represent the four quarters of the earth, the points of the compass. So what the prophets saw in vision, what Joseph saw in the papyri, and what comparative mythologists see in ancient cosmological tradition are one and the same. It's cosmism. And here is the cosmic connection. It's an artist's conception of the original figure produced by a unique arrangement of planets and plasmas in Earth's ancient skies. It's called the sacred or cosmic wheel. It's the origin of the sacred or cosmic cross employed down through the ages in one form or another by religions worldwide. It's also the origin of the phrase chariots of the gods, and it's seen in cosmic imagery from religions and cultural traditions the world over. But why did God show these images in prophetic visions? Well, that's the subject for another video. There isn't space in this video to show all the evidence to support these connections. That can be found in my research, my videos, my books, and my online lessons, which I encourage you to explore. Comparative mythologists add another level of meaning to these images. They are also the four winds of heaven, the four rivers of the Garden of Eden, and the four pillars or corners that support heaven or the sky. This is the original, the archetype of all imagery and metaphor employing the number 4. This is only one of dozens of such tangible, documentable connections Cosmism makes for us in the scriptures. It explains the use of mystifying imagery and thus amplifies and enhances our scriptural comprehension. Not surprisingly, this is where the symbolism of our temples comes from as well. This is why I study and promote the great value of Cosmism in the restored gospel. It's not just a curiosity, it is the key of keys, a pearl of great price.